How can we maintain confidence in our writing over a long period or even in the face of rejection? I've got 5 tips to share with you today. Creating a well-paid freelance career is a long game, but it is a game that is so well worth playing. One of the things that really helps us play this game is confidence. You will find plenty of videos on this channel, loads of content around confidence. So if you haven't yet subscribed, this is the place that is really going to help you play that long game. So the 5 tips come under the category of confidence is a memory game. Okay, so I use the analogy of how we are when we first meet people and how we are around remembering people's names, and that's what we want to be doing with our confidence as well. So sometimes we meet someone and they tell us our name and we're like, oh, I'm hopeless with names, and we deny ourselves the chance of remembering. And often it's the same with confidence. We're telling ourselves, oh, I'm really crap at confidence, or I don't have it, and we're denying ourselves the chance of learning and remembering how to be confident. So the first tip to remember is that if confidence has slipped, it's not that you don't have it, it's that you have forgotten. So that's a really nice place to start to work in. If you're telling yourself that you don't have the confidence for something, rather than believe that, it's to start to say in that internal dialogue, wait a second, this just means I have forgotten. So that takes you into the second step, which is to start to look for small wins. And that's really, really important, because you're now going to start focusing your mind on looking at the evidence that you have got something, rather than focusing on not having something, being hopeless at something. So number 2 is that you start to look for those small wins. So that might be a daily word count. And I really mean it when I say small. So if your daily word count is, I wrote 10 words today, that's a win, because it's 10 words more than you wrote yesterday. Remember, I said that we're playing a long game here. So 10 words is taking you further along your path and closer to your goal, even if it's just 10 words. So small wins is really important. So another small win might be that you sent an email or you made a phone call. So by focusing on looking for small wins, that's also going to encourage you to start taking action and to keep taking action. And that's really going to support the fact that you're playing a long game, and it's going to help you build confidence, because you're going to start to see areas that you are making progress. The third tip is to create what I call a trophy document. So for example, a trophy document might be really good feedback that you've had over work that you've done in the past. A trophy document might be something someone said to you about your gifts or your talent. A trophy document might be even a photocopy of an award that you've won, or a photocopy of something that got published. So you're really creating a place where you start to gather all of your trophies. So whether that's good feedback right up to actually winning awards, you want to put all of that together. And again, that's going to help grow your confidence, because you're going to start to see that trophy document getting larger, those trophies beginning to add up. And also it's there for you to use when you feel that confidence slipping. Remember, when you have forgotten your confidence and you go to that trophy document and you remind yourself, oh, I actually do have what it takes, because so-and-so wrote me an email and told me so, or I got this thing published, even though it was a small piece, it still got published, it's still in my trophy document. The fourth area that I find really helps with confidence is to write yourself a check. This is really, really powerful. So you can print a blank check off, you can do a Google search for a blank check, print it off, and then write yourself that check for services rendered. So whatever creative project you're working on, that's the check that you're going to be rewarded with. So maybe you're writing an online course at the moment. So you're going to print out that blank check and you're going to write yourself a check for the exact amount that you want to make off that online course. So you're going to write it out to yourself, you're going to put the amount in, and you're going to write for so-and-so online course or for your book or for your blog, whatever it is, write yourself a check for a wonderful amount, and that's really going to help bolster your confidence. Seeing that check every day. It's great to put it somewhere like on the bathroom mirror where you know that you're going to see it every day. And then the fifth tip that's really going to help with confidence is to utilize your community. That community spirit is so important. It's why I set up the community on Facebook, because I know the value of community. We are here for you if you are feeling low. We are here for you if you do need a reminder, if you have forgotten your confidence. We're here to keep you striving. So you'll find a link to my Facebook community below this video. Come and join us and utilize your community. So there we go, 5 steps that are really going to help you have that confidence to play that long game and to create the freelance career that I know that you deserve. I really want for that to happen for you, and that's what this channel is all about. So let me know in the comments below, what is your creative dream? What is the long game that you are playing right now? I would love to hear what you're working towards. And I will see you in the next video. Take care until then.